This is one protocol, ISRA protocol. ISRA, E means exciting factor, S is site, R is radiation, A is associated system. Now problem is, why have we taken ES first? 90% of patients who come to me for any cardiac ailment come with this common word, and that is ghabrahat. Now, what? Ghabrahat. What's that? I'm asking people who know English and Hindi both. Anxiety is not ghabrahat, ma'am. Uneasiness, do you have a rubric of uneasiness? Becheni. Becheni ke liye Hindi, we have got rubric. Palpitations, dhad dhad. It's not ghabrahat. Anxiety to kuch nahi bhi, isliye anxiety, no? Sir, mentally I'm all right. Here, I don't know how to describe it. Is it pain? No, it's not paining. हाँ, तो uneasiness के लिए rubric क्या है? हाँ, anguish नहीं, anguish is pain. डर नहीं, I don't know fear. Restlessness के लिए rubric है. I'm not generally restless. Something is happening here, so I can't describe. Heaviness, no, heaviness नहीं है. Is load on the chest? No, load on the chest भी नहीं. पत्थर है, nothing पत्थर. हाँ, do you have a rubric for discomfort? Yeah. चेस्ट डिस्कंफर्ट के लिए रूब्रिक है. हाँ, ऑपरेशन नहीं है, भारीपन नहीं लग रहा. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, घबराहट इज यूनिकली हिंदी. देयर इज नो सिनोनिम in English language for ghabrat. And 90% of my patients are complaining of ghabrat. They never tell me, okay, doctor, I have a sensation of hard-boiled egg in my cardiac end of the stomach. एक दिन I want to give you AB's Niagara to some patient. Today I read कि चलो I want to give Lilium tick. Lilium tick के अंदर हार्ट का सिम्टम है. एक पेशेंट तो मिलना चाहिए. For all these years I've been searching for these sensations. Sensations, iron is gripping my heart. कोई भी नहीं. घबराहट. So all these sensations were very beautiful in the book. But my patient is not telling me. My patient only says घबराहट. And then depending upon my English and my understanding, I keep on introducing anxiety, chest in the region of, and all these things. And the same remedies keep on coming, cactus and this. What is this? So that is why I said sensations are not, at this level at least, sensations should be not taking on the, because education of the patient, your education, your communication, your understanding of his or her feelings, they differ. And all my patients are very common people. And uncommon people, so they don't give. अच्छा कब होता है घबराहट? कभी भी. अच्छा कभी भी. Modalities are not, they are not wrong. They have never been taught to report the modalities, so they never ask. The only safe thing is at least exciting factor. But what happened before the event? At least tell me that. Chalo sir. Anger, so sometimes anger is expressive. I am angry at you, I have expressed out, still I am having that chest discomfort. So whatever sensation I may be having, which may be radiating from left side to right side, wherever it is radiating, but this is because of anger. So I have some drug to start with, it is Brineia. Non-expressive is Colocin. Now Colocin is a very angry remedy, fine, but does not only cause abdominal pain, it causes any pain, angina also. So we'll never be able to use Colocin if we have not defined it in a protocol and tested it. Insult. Expressive, Nux vomica, non-expressive Staphylococcus. Fear, expressive Aconite and Naja, non-expressive opium. Grief, if it's a hysterical expression, it's ignatia, debility, acid phos. Bad news ailments from Gelsemium, non-expressive chamomilla. Now chamomilla, you may be fantastic in Matrametica, but at that point of time, you'll never remember chamomilla as a remedy for bad effects of bad news, exciting factor. So we'll conveniently always never use chamomilla, we'll always use Gelsemium because Gelsemium is easy to remember and maximum people remember Gelsemium. Joy. I had a very good patient. Expressive joy, Cereus bonplandi. Cereus bonplandi is a cactus. It's a cactus family. Very small drug, but a very beautiful drug. Now this gentleman, he has come to me with, he is now 39. So 39 years old. He had come to me about 4 years ago. He came to me with serious arrhythmias. Very serious arrhythmias. Between two rhythm disorders. So he used to go with PSVT to VTs. Paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardias, it's a atrial arrhythmia. To ventricular tachycardias, for short, and that used to become very palpitations and this and that, very bad. Every time hospitalization. So he was on Cardaron. Cardaron is a remedy, allopathy mein. He was on injections pehle, then he was put on tablet. After Cardaron also, he started developing. Then I said, what to give such patient? Symptom, aisa to koi symptom nahi. See the constitution, he was not fitting into any mental generals, something or everything all right. Happy, yeah, happy. You could not take out any particular drug. There are times when you can't always take out a drug, na? Physical generals bhi kuch nahi. Okay, then now what to give? I said, how did it start? So 4 years ago, what happened was, this gentleman always he is a software engineer. So always, India, America. So on the day he got the letter, he went into a company, one software company, and his company sent him to America. The US ka letter was 26th of January, he was supposed to go to US. Flight confirmed, ticket confirmed, everything confirmed. And he got this letter on 5th of January. And the day he got the letter, for all these years, I joined, I'm a software engineer to go to US. This was, he collapsed. Letter mila and he collapsed. Khushi ke baare mar gaya. So he collapsed. And then he was revived. Then they came to know that he has got these rhythm disorders. Till that time, it was perfectly all right. Rhythm disorders means you have a fluctuation. You have this short circuit in your this is the left atrium, this is the left ventricle, this is the right ventricle, this is the right atrium. Now, the chief source is SA node. SA node connects to AV node. AV node to bundle of His. Okay? But the signal does not travel this way. The electrical signals start from RA node, this SA node, and goes via the muscle. And aisa ghum ke it will go to AV node. And from AV node it goes down. In every one of us, there are 3 separate bundles called as bundle of Kent. From 1, 2, 3. These bundles of Kent are inactive in everyone. Only by certain drugs or now certain mental insults or certain mental they are activated. If they are activated, then you get rhythm disorders. The lub, dup suddenly changes to something. So if the signal travels from here directly to here, then the time which was taken from here, pura yahan ke aisa, that decreases. So the signal travels here earlier. And that is why the entire, this is called short circuiting. And short circuiting causes PSVT. Paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardia. So, just imagine ailments from joy reactivating the dormant bundles of Kent. So what they do, if you go to this big hospital, the KEM hospital, and they will magnify your ECGs to an extent where they can identify these bundles ka area, and then they will burn it. Laser. This is called laser ablation therapy, electrotherapy. And you kill that then again possibly, it may restart again this way. So that is what they do. And Cardaron is one drug in allopathy which stabilizes this AV node. ठीक है, यहाँ जल्दी आ गया. This Cardaron can't stop this, but at least it will let the signal stay here. It will not let the signal go down so fast. So that's why rhythm disorders are permitted. But only if you have got one rhythm disorder, understood. If you have got this PSVT, affection of this area, if you have got affection of this and this, then and the patient is fluctuating between PSVT and VT, it becomes a very problematic situation. Now, this gentleman was ultimately referred to me actually by a cardiologist. They acknowledged that homeopathy mein kuch way hai. And they came. So this, I said, what happened? So that was then. Achha, then after discharge and all, the company said, nahi, he should take rest. And so 9 months, So then he went to depression. I had to go to America. America, kya mere saath hi why me only? That me only situation came. Anyway, so he went to depression. So again, after 9.5 months, company said, okay, okay, now we will allow you to go. So 9 or 10 months had passed. Only that news, you are selected to go. Second attack. Same thing happened. Again hospitalized the same place. सब कुछ यानी again coincidentally cardiac hospital is just opposite their place of work. Same thing happened. सब कुछ same. Now he was advised कि भाई you go for ablation. Every time it can't happen. And that is why I came to homeopathy. Now that was one of my first case. I was like, यार sir नहीं कराना है. I don't want to do ablation. I said I can only try, but this is because I can't promise all these things. We started him on series born Blandy. It's been 4 years, not a single attack. He's gone to US, Florida. अच्छा नहीं है सर Florida, life is not good. अच्छा. India बेकार है, ये है, no, not good. Florida में अच्छा नहीं है. It's too cold and too this. He got transferred to Singapore. अच्छा, दोनों जगह पे he chose Florida, he chose Florida and Singapore because they have one of the very good hospitals, best hospitals in the world for ablation. In case America maybe he had got so many, that office had got many other offices, branches, but he chose that Florida. Wow. Luckily, he's very well. He's doing very well. Still series born Blandy is all right. Once in 2 months or 3 months, he takes one dose. So ailments from joy. Non-expressive is Kaufia. We always relate joy with Kaufia, but no. Eating is Kapali. People will not have some, I don't have any grief, I don't have any anger, no insult, nothing has happened. Still I'm getting chest discomfort. It's always after eating. If I remain empty stomach, nothing happens. Khana khaya, don't tell me to walk. I can't walk. I have to rest for some time, half an hour, 10 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, and then, if it is a perpetual phenomena, Kalibai Chrome. Now, angina presents a varied form, and typical diabetics have a very, very different presentation of angina. And one of the very paradoxical is walking and climbing. Certain people do not get angina on walking. They only will get on climbing. I can understand that. Because walking way you don't let less energy, climbing way you have more energy. But if you can climb 3 flights of stairs, but यहाँ से वहां तक walking you get angina. Now that is a paradox. So, walking straight, Bryannia and Spigelia, ascending is Glonine. But every time it is not possible. How much have you asked? No, nahi hua, nothing has happened. I'm just getting chest pain. Finished. There are patients who will not follow this slide, anything. They will not have anger, insult, fear, grief, joy, news, nothing. Walking, eating, nothing happens. Then what do? Still have to prescribe. Right? So next slide. Then it comes to SRA. That is the site. So localized chest, either, mind you friends, angina is not only left side. It is right side angina also, it's still hard. Like Lilium tig is a remedy for right side angina pectoris. Localized palpitation, localized chest pain with palpitation, it is Spigelia. Left chest to radiating left arm along with anxiety is arnica. And this is called Heberden's angina or classical angina. And that is the reason why we call arnica as the sorbitrate of homeopathy. If you want to replace sorbitrate, just give him a bottle of arnica 30 or 6 and take SOS. Kuch nahi hota, patient will not. Everything is written in my book. But abhi photograph leke start using it na. All books, 10 book में से कोई ना कोई लिखा है. I've got 10 books. Left chest to left arm anxiety, arnica. Left chest to back. People with posterior vessel disease. Now, ये कहाँ है? हाँ. हाँ. So, this is the blood supply of the heart. Okay. These are the coronaries. This is the right coronary artery. This is the left coronary artery main. RCA. This is called left circumflex, and this is LAD, left anterior descending. And this is called left main, LM. Okay. So, we consider that we have got three coronary arteries because left main immediately divides into three. You can have blockages in any of these and you are going to have symptoms. And it's very easy on the ECG to pinpoint which artery is involved, A, and where the blockage is. You don't need an angiogram to describe. If you're good in reading ECGs, you can actually come to know where exactly the blockage in the artery is. Only kitna, how much is the quantity, that is angiography will say. So, right coronary artery jo hai, all right-handed persons will have major supply of right coronary artery. That's right coronary artery supplies a major part of the heart. It supplies the right atrium, the right ventricle, part of the left ventricle. Then the left circumflex supplies interventricular septum. Interventricular septum is a muscle by itself. It is different muscle from the ventricle, and it has got its own coronary supply, and that is left circumflex. The left anterior descending artery exclusively supplies the left ventricle. So the left ventricle, when cardiologists speak of heart, we are actually talking only of left ventricle. Hamare liye, the rest of the heart is not a heart. We don't consider atria as a part of heart. Atria matlab a side room. The side rooms are always side. We are talking about main. And when we talk about main, right side is a very small chamber. We don't talk about right side. When a cardiologist is speaking about heart, he is actually focusing only on the left heart, left ventricle. And the apex of the left ventricle, which is very, very important, is the chief center of the heart. If something happens to the left ventricle apex, it's a very major problem. And this is the artery which supplies. Now, LM, left main, is called widow's artery. If you have a blockage in the widow's artery, be rest assured, person is going to die in 2 months. If you have a blockage here. We are going to discuss about that. It's Kanami a widow's artery. We have named it widow's artery. We are not forced to name it as widow's artery because we have the number of deaths are very high when the blockage is at left main. Then we can. Now what happens is diabetics chiefly are affected with RCA. And one of the reasons, if the blockage is here, this is called PDA. PDA. It's a connection between all the three, this area. It's a connection. So, if the blockage is here, then you don't get these classical symptoms of pain on the left side, bleeding. This is blockage is here. If you have a blockage here, you're going to get that. But blockage is here in the distal part, you're going to get such useful symptoms. Left chest to back with numbness of the parts. The pain will radiate directly from here to here. It will be very similar. It can occur from the right side and left side both. It can be similar if it's right side to stone, gallbladder stone. If it occurs slightly below, it is similar to pancreatitis. Because pancreatitis, the pain is from epigastrium to the back. And it's like a stabbing pain. You get in heart attack. That's why pancreatitis patients need ICCU admission, not this. They cannot be admitted in general ward. So reason is left chest to back, numbness of the parts, lactoductus smack. Left chest to jaw. If they have a blockage here, this upper part, LAD, it supplies the jaw. This, because the heart is developed from the in the embryology, in the baby, that fetus, the heart develops in the neck. As the baby grows, the heart descends down, and that is why every symptom of heart disease has to involve the neck. Choking, strangulation, everything, it has to come here. So if the blockage is here, if the patient is getting blockage, choking, so if I walk 3 kilometers, 3 steps, I get choking here. I should be able to know where the blockage is. My blockage is here, and if it's getting very frequent, it is above 90%. If it's getting perspiration with it, it is an operable thing. Understood? You have a symptom, you have a choking, fine. Choking means the artery involved is LAD, 1. Second is how frequent? Very frequent, that means the block is above 90%, more than 90%. And along with it, if you're getting perspiration while doing that, matlab now it is operated. It will be, that blockage is, it will move now. It is going to kill that patient. Autonomic symptoms, never discard autonomic symptoms. They are symptoms of original, they don't depend upon my mind. They are there because the body is in agony. My sweating, my excess of gases, burps, they are very important. They are more important than this pain. I can mimic, I can do all these symptoms, that pain. Pain will be depending upon my sensitivity, how much I appreciate pain. But ANS, I have no control. My mind has no control of ANS. If there are ANS symptoms, I should respect it, and they need to be, addressed. So if you have got blockage here, that's why you have got left chest to jaw along with choking, nausea. So nausea becomes the remedy of choice for blockages of upper LAD, proximal LAD. Left chest to throat and anxiety, cactus and arsenic, same here. Right chest. Diabetics particularly, they don't show left-sided symptoms. They may show right-sided symptoms because RCA is chiefly affected. So right chest to right arm, classic is Lilium Tig. Arnica doesn't work there. If you have got blockages here, this is a Lilium Tig blockage. Then we have got left chest, right chest to jaw. It's McFoss. Sometimes you don't have chest pain. You have that chest discomfort, but no pain. But other thing is very important. Sweating. Profuse sweating is there. Drenching sweating. It is camphor. Pain with acidity. One of the very, very common presentations of ischemic heart disease in young, Nux vomica. And that is why Nux vomica becomes one of wonderful supportive remedies. Even if you don't know mater medica, you give Nux vomica and you save the life of the patient. Nux vomica is very, very important remedy. Acidity, because it's not possible to clinically differentiate acidity and angina at that period of time. It's not always possible to do an ECG. It's not always possible. Clinical sensations has to be done. And clinical sense demands, Nux vomica de do, baad mein dekhte baithenge kya karna. So as it is, we are giving Nux vomica for acidity, but even if it's angina, it helps. Pain with flatulence, diascoria. Now diascoria is a remedy which you don't think of. You will at the most think of Carbovec, but doesn't work. You think of China and lycopodium, it doesn't work. And some people with angina, they have a vague feeling here, passing gas. They don't know. It is actually a heart attack. Inferior wall MIs, inferior wall myocardial infarction can occur. If you have got a large block here, this block, big block, you are going to present not with any of these symptoms. You are going to present pain, not even pain, some vague feeling and a lot of gas. And not even that, gas should come out. Nux vomica says, I should vomit. Carbovec says, I want gas, I'll feel better. Not that. Just passing gas. It's non-offensive. Passing gas is non-offensive. Now why suddenly a person who's excessively passing gas, which is non-offensive? It is not GIT, it is here. So, diascoria. So these are ISRA protocol. At least with this, I don't say this is complete. It is my method of tackling my situations. Because I have a situation to face, I have a hospital to run. So I've prepared, not only for I've prepared for my own self. And this has helped me, possibly it may help you.